how my grandfather eats it.
Done.
Woo!
Could have done it faster, but that's how I eat it on an everyday basis. That speed and that precision and that amount. And it's a beautiful thing.